Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to cut videos and how to merge videos together. So first we add the videos to the timeline. We have two videos. Now if we press play, only the upper video will show in the media player. So always remember to organize your timeline to make all of the videos appear in the media player. So I need to move this video to make them both appear like this. And here we are. As soon as the first video finishes, the second one begins. But if I put it right here, only the upper one will work. So always avoid putting videos on top of each other. Cutting a file, it's the same way for any type, whether it's a video or audio or any other type. You select this tool and you put it wherever you want to split the video like this. I can split a single video multiple times. For example, I split this video to 4 little videos. And I can position them wherever I like. I can rearrange them as much as I like. Now I split the second video. Same tool and same way. And here we are. We have multiple videos. Now we move to merging videos together. I shuffle the timeline a little bit. So all we do is we organize all of the video in one track. We put them in the order we want, and we make sure there are no spaces between each video. I keep going like this until I make all the videos in one track. And as you see, all of the videos appear as one video in the media player. Take a look. They look as a single video. So this is how we organize videos. And then we select all of the videos like this. And we right click and we select group. To make all of the videos as one video. But that is not it. As you see, we still can't edit the video. So right click again and we select nest and give the video a name, or you can leave it like this. Then we click OK. And now the videos are merged as one video and I can edit on the video as much as I like. And here we are. This is the video and it's without any audio, and I can add an audio file to it if I like. I go to the audio file folder. I drag it and I put it right here, and when I play the video, also we play the audio. So this is how we cut a video and how we merge multiple videos together and make them as one video. I hope that you liked what you saw. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.